How to log out of IG application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Logging out of the IG group application is simple, so here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the IG trading app on your mobile device, and once you're inside this main home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the account button. Inside the account button, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see a logout button. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in the pop-up, click on yes, but remember, you must have your login credentials before logging out of your account so that you can access your account again. If you're sure you have it, you can tap on yes and you'll be redirected to the login page of IG. So you can log back in any time by entering your credentials correct in the respective text boxes. So there you have it. That is how you log out of the IG trading application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.